Hi everyone, my name is Leys, Territory Manager for Road Warrior. We are here at Truck World. We have the components for this beautiful international truck. With DOC, DPFs, SCRs, we got you covered.
Where Road Warrior differentiates itself is that we are a true one-to-one replacement for the OE. We're going to have the same precious metal content within our products as well as a one-to-one fit so that you don't need to worry about making it work with your system. That's going to save you money on diesel costs and allow the system to operate more efficiently, keeping you on the road, having to replace your parts less frequently.
When you choose Road Warrior, you choose peace of mind, and that's what Road Warrior is all about.